Hello po, this is Christian Hupilzano and ayan, recording siya po'y napakapangit ko. Anyway, ang pangit din ng kuha nung sa laptop camera pero wala na akong pakialam dyan. Ah, hmm, so bakit nga ba ako nandito ngayon? Ano daw? Rinig kaya yun? That's I don't know, baka motor or cars na nagre-racing, drag racing, hindi ako sure. At ayun nga, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin pero yeah, there should be a start I guess na magre-record ako ng mga ganitong videos. Pero of course, for the next days, at least meron ng sense yung gagawin ko. This is just the first day. Gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi naging successful yung mga attempt ko this year to improve myself sa maraming bagay. And they really did not work at all. Like, walang kwenta. Parang ganun, sabihin na natin. In a lot of ways, ganun siya. Naging wala siyang kwenta. Para lang ako nagsasayang ng oras. Even though hindi naman ako nagsasayang ng oras, hindi naman talaga yun yung plano ko gawin at all na magsayang ng oras. Sayangin ko yung oras ko. Pero yeah, clearly meron akong commitment issues, hindi lang sa relationship but also with myself. Kasi ako yung tipo ng tao na if ako lang yung magsasuffer ng consequence ng isang bagay, then wala na akong pakialam kung ano yung magiging outcome nun. Kung mag-fail yun ng sobra to the point na it will cost me everything, like I'm ready to face it, or if it will succeed. Pero most of the time, ang nangyayari kasi is I quit lalo na if alam kong hindi magiging perfect yung output nun, which is not really good. Lalo na pag nagsisimula ka pa lang naman kasi you are bound to fail. And I'm okay with failures. Hindi naman ako ganun ka bad when it comes to handling failures and setbacks. Pero at the same time, pinupush ko kasi or nirarush ko kasi masyado yung sarili ko na hindi, gusto kong maging successful agad. Gusto kong okay agad yung kakalabasan nung bagay na kakasimula ko pa nga lang. So, napaka-contradicting nun kasi not unless I'm really super gifted and talented dun sa bagay na yon, which I think even if you're really gifted, hindi naman siya smooth flow lang. There's really grit and hard work na kailangan gawin. And yun na nga, I'm recording this so that the internet will be my accountability partner against for the things that I want to do in my life. And marami pong bagay yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya nagagawa kasi tamad ako. Either matutulog ako or maglalaro ako ng Dota. As you can see there, nandiyan yung Dota na yan. Ilang taon na pong sinisira ng Dota yung buhay ko. But it's not really Dota. Yes, malaking part siya kasi yun yung game. Pero hindi lang kasi Dota yung larong nalaro ko all my life. Even sa high school days, even now na nag-work na ako, or even university days. Yes, I'm addicted to Dota to a degree na dun ako nagpupuyat, dun ko inuubos yung oras ko. Minsan hindi ako kumakain para nakapaglaro lang ako. May ganung point ng buhay ko. Of course, now I'm a lot older and wiser. It does not have the same appeal anymore as when I was younger. Pero, ayun, still nandiyan pa rin yung Dota. It's like a staple game ko na lang din siguro. Like, I wanna play a game, so ano ba yung lalaruin ko? Ang problem lang is hindi na ako masyado naglalaro ngayon kasi nga, I don't know if you've played Dota before, then you know na like games took like 1 hour or like 45 minutes to 1 hour. Isang game pa lang yun. And that's really time consuming lalo na in these days na meron akong gustong magawin. So, hindi ko siya nalalaro talaga all the time. Ayun. So, wow. Clap for me. Like, celebrate for me. May konti na akong self-control. And kahit naman dati pa alam ko na it's really bad to waste that much of time. Pero ngayon kasi, when I'm older na now, ayun na nga, ngayon lang nag-sink in na I'm really responsible for myself. Dati kasi I'm responsible for myself only for a short period of time. Like, okay, 3 months, akong bahala sa kakainin ko. Tapos, merong a week na may sasalo sa akin. And so, like, you know that feeling before kasi nakikitira lang ako ng bahay and malapit lang siya with my relatives even though I'm kinda independent na situation. And ayun, yo. And ayun, even though parang independent yung setup ko doon, there's still people whom I can call. Pwede kong lapitan, pwede kong tawagan ng ganito. Na, wala na akong makain, I'm dying here. So, ayun. And now I'm here in Manila or Makati. Ayun, wala na akong makain. Ay, meron pa naman. Pero, like, the thing is, hindi ko, ngayon, parang bago lang nagsisink in sa akin na I am responsible for what I'm going to eat, what I'm going to wear, what I'm going to do tomorrow, kung anong gagawin ko sa oras ko. Like, I have full, complete control kung ano talagang gagawin ko sa buhay ko. And parang, the first year, I guess, from out of college and then paglipat ko dito, and I experienced this kind of freedom, napaka big deal niya or napaka shocking niya siguro. Hindi ko lang siya naramdaman. Ngayon ko na lang na-realize na I really handled it very bad and very poorly. Yung pagkaka-handle ko with the freedom that I have. Like, hindi ko alam kung saan napunta yung mga pera ko. Actually, alam ko, isa na dito yung mic tsaka itong phone na hawak ko with really good and itong laptop rin na kung saan nyo ako nakikita ngayon. And ayun na nga, sorry, lakas natin ng boses ko so naririnig ako ng ibang tao dito sa rooftop. Pero okay lang yan kasi makapal naman nung konti yung mukha ko. Anyway, asa na nga ulit ako? Ayun, I really handled it very poorly. Yung freedom na meron ako. And it's now haunting me back. Like, andito na yung mga consequences nung bagay na yon. I'm a year now sa mga bagay na gusto kong ma-achieve na sinabi ko sa sarili ko last year, ganito next year. Like, certified na ako na ganito, meron akong certification sa ganito, like, nakapag-practice na ako ng ganitong skill or skills kasi madami sila. And up until now, meron ako mga nasimulan and even though tinutuloy ko naman sila, it's not consistent. Sabihin na lang natin ganun. So, it's really failing. Like, hindi ko siya confidently na ilalagay because if you know me, the type of person that I am, unless it's perfect or unless that's only really the time na I'm confident na maybe ilagay siya sa resume or confident na ipagmalaki sa mundo na I know how to do Python. Like, hindi mo naman siya ma-achieve ng 100% talaga. Pero, like, even just the confidence lang na papasa ko yung mga coding interviews and stuff like that. Like, I don't really think na nasa ganun level ako. So, ayun. And I have a year to prepare. And I really believe na enough yun. Even kahit hindi yung Python, kahit yun sa VBA lang, and some stuff na you could do in Excel, Power Query, and other things that I can do before kahit nung hindi pa ako bumibili ng personal laptop ko. Really, nagsayang ako ng oras. Mostly sa tulog, mostly sa phone, and maraming bagay. And yeah, hindi naging maganda yung first, I don't know, what's that like, year, more than a year. Yeah. And so, ngayon, gusto ko na siyang ayusin. And na-realize ko nga na if I'm only the one looking after myself, it's not really good. And wala naman akong accountability partner. I do have friends, pero parehas kami. Hindi ko masabi parehas kami walang disiplina kasi may disiplina naman siya. And he's really studying para sa exams niya. And the thing is, unlike him, na meron na siyang gusto talagang gawin, na gusto niya nang i-pursue yung actuarial career, ako, wala akong ganun pa right now. Like, yeah, I'm just learning Excel, I'm learning Python, I'm learning VBA, I'm learning SQL. Yung mga skills na yun, I'm just learning them out of whim. Hindi dahil, sa next step ko, ito yung gusto ko. Sa next step ko, ganito yung gusto ko. Like, up until now, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung gusto kong gawin sa next point ng career ko. I know na gusto kong kumita ng pera, pero that's not really the next step, diba? Like, hindi ko nga alam kung bakit pa ako humihinga, bakit pa ako gumigising sa araw-araw. Hindi ko alam. And maybe that's one thing that I also want to address or gusto kong malaman by the end of this, or at least along the way nitong pag-video. This is really a vlog, right? Vlogging or a video journal or whatever this is. Parang pangit pala ng posture ko. Bakit yung posture ko? Hello. Huh. Okay. So, kanina what do you call that? Hanggang ngayon, naka-slouch pa rin ako. Parang hindi ko na ata maayos yung slouching position ko or posture. So, pabayaan nyo na lang, huwag yun ang pansinin masyado. Another thing, siguro, wala na akong maisip. Mahaba na rin yung video. It's already 10 and 30 minutes. At 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah. Hindi ko na alam. Yeah, so maybe yun lang muna. This is just a video na gusto ko lang ipaalam na I will start uploading some stuff here. Yes, dinilit ko na po yung ibang videos that are previously uploaded sa channel na to. And I will also hindi ko na sila ibabalik, I guess, since they're not really part of the branding. Wow, branding! Pero yet, it's not really part of the future na nakikita ko for this. Wow, meron ng future na nakikita. Pero, yun. So, there are a lot of projects that I want to do and gusto ko lang siyang i-share sa internet for some reason. Maybe dahil sa pera or maybe because yun yung easiest way to put it now, like to really publish it now. Ilagay mo siya sa internet, maybe sa YouTube, or create your own website and doon mo siya ilalagay lahat. And yeah, I think yun lang muna for now. So, see you until next time. Kung meron man next time. Pero kung walang next time, then, ayun, this is just another project na sinubukan ko simulan pero hindi ko tinapos. And as always, ganoon naman talaga yung nangyayari sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. For some reason, that's really how it ends up. Like, but that's not how it should end up. Diba? Kasi we should really have this commitment to finish the things that we do or we started. Pero madalas hindi natatapos kasi there's really, at least sa akin, maybe nawawalan ng point yung isang bagay and you don't want to continue doing it anymore. Like, feeling mo mas rewarding na gawin, at least para sa akin, mas rewarding na mag-cellphone na mag-scroll na lang sa TikTok or mag-scroll sa Facebook or hindi ko alam. Like, I don't know, hindi ko alam bakit. Wow, November na. Wala akong anything na na-achieve na okay. Magda-December na next week. And yeah, wala talaga akong anything na mapagmamalaki ko naman. Sabi ko, ito, nagawa ko to for this year. Like, patay. GG. And I'm not starting this right now para mahabol ko siya sa 2024. Clearly, there's really too short of a time or tawag doon. Hindi. Yung hindi ko maisip. Nakalimutan ko yung word, pero yeah, there's really too short of a window yon. There's too short of a window to call it something na part of 2024. Even if sabihin natin magkaroon ng something na meron ako ma-achieve for December, there's it's really too short of a window para ma-include siya sa 2024. So 2025 na po tayo magsa-celebrate and mag-expect ng mga results kung sakaling meron man, but hopefully meron. And yun lang, and paalam.